Before starting the video, I just want to ask you one question. Look at this function. So without plotting the graph, can you find out the direction of the graph? Yes, it is confusing now. So after watching this video, not going to confuse about this. Okay, so let's start the video and just find out how to find out the direction of cubic graph. So here we have first equation. The first equation is y is equal to x into x minus 2 and x plus 1. So just first we will find out what is our function. So our function is cubic. So if you will multiply this and this, you will get here x cube, right? X minus 2, right? And this is our final equation. So what we will see here, what is the coefficient of x? If the coefficient of x is positive, in that case your graph will go always upward direction. In that case, what will happen to our x and y? So when your x is approach towards negative infinity, right, your y will also approach towards the negative infinity. But when your x approach to positive infinity, right, your y will also approach to positive infinity. And in that case, what will happen? So this is the rule for all cubic functions. In this case, when your x cube is positive, right, that means value of a is positive, right, the left side goes down and right side goes up. Okay, now come to our second equation. So if you will see this second equation, you'll see if you will multiply, so our function is going to be negative x cube. Why negative x cube? Because when your x square multiply with negative, it is going to be negative x cube, right? So here the function will be negative x cube plus 3x, right, and plus 2, right? So just for the graph, we will see the hour, right, this part, that is the value of a. So here value of a, that means coefficient of x cube is, leading part coefficient is negative, right? So if this is negative, in that case what will happen? When your x approach towards negative infinity, your y approach towards the positive infinity, right? And similarly, when your x approach to the positive infinity, your y approach towards the negative infinity. And in that case, always what will happen? Left side goes up and right side goes down. That's all. So this is for all the cubic functions. Let's discuss more graph in next video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.